Boxcar brand.
We've heard about the 141 and the mighty 143. The first class Scania's in the time, the truth I'll tell to you. But time it moves along now, as you must all agree. And the boys at Scania thought the same, so they built the 143. 470 horsepower lies underneath your feet. Uphill or on the level, this machine just can't be beat. She had a cab that sits on air, no more bag for me. As I travelled all round Europe in this Highline 143. Well, listen to the engine as she pulls out on the road. I'm heading straight for Dover with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains or snows, I'm as happy as can be in this turbocharged standard-filled Highline 143.
Come on under, plenty of ready contact.
470 horsepower lies underneath your feet. Uphill or on the level, this machine just can't be beat. She has a cab that sits on air, no more backache for me. As I travelled all round Europe in this Highline 143.
We go!
Well, listen to the engine as it pulls out on the road. Sure, I'm heading straight for Dover with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains or snows, I'm as happy as can be in this turbocharged standard-filled Highline 143. All right, come on, let's see it. That's for all the truckers right there. Now here's to all you drivers, you are one decent band. You're the heart and soul of the countryside, you're the lace bit of this land. I'll have to move along now, I've a boat to catch, you'll see. But at least I know I'll get there in this Highline 143. Let's hear you say. Well, listen to the engine as she pulls out on the road. Sure, I'm heading straight for Mockins with my 38-ton load. I don't care if it rains or snows, I'm as happy as can be in this turbocharged standard-filled Highline 143. In this turbocharged standard-filled Highline 143.
Ladies and gentlemen, Boxcar brand.